I am Yogashin Devaragnan. I am Gurbashini Gunalan. I am Siroshan Devaraju.
As you know, this paper cut shows the fire incident cases increasing year by year, especially many an innocent kid like us become victims. Today we are going to present our wonderful innovation, Fire Shield Alarm System. Our innovation is also in line with the SDG 11 Sustainable Communities, which is focused on making cities and human settlements inclusive, safe, resilient and sustainable. Fire Shield Alarm System is a creative innovation to further enhance safety of human lives.
Now we are going to talk about problem statement. Number 1. Lack of fire alarm triggering mechanism. Malaysian Fire and Rescue Department MFRD claims 6,000 premises were destroyed by fire every year nationwide. Number 2. Unoccupied homes. Based on MFRD report, 32% of premises were unoccupied during the fire incident and the owners not alert on time. Number 3. Lack of fire extinguisher. Fire extinguisher come with high cost and require maintenance. The main objective is to design a fire alarm system which detects the presence of a fire or smoke and provide early warning. Objective number 2. Include SMS alert feature in fire alarm system. Objective number 3. Incorporate water sprinkler system to automatically control the fire from spreading. Objective number 4. Real-time monitoring adapting integration mobile app technology via IoT.
Methodology. This fire shield alarm system consists of 5 components, which are microcontroller, GSM model, water sprinkler, CCTV and sensor devices. It developed based on waterfall model BASIL 2012. It consists of analysis. In this piece, all information was gathered by conducting survey, reading articles and journals. Design. We developed this system. Implementation. All components of the hardware are assembled together. Arduino IDE software was used to program the system. Testing. We conducting 4 different tests. Maintenance. In this piece, we resolve the issue detected during test piece. Now let me explain how the fire shield alarm system works. Here we have a prototype also installed with fire shield alarm system. When I fire a flame sensor, it will send signal to the microcontroller informing the fire and alarms are activated. At the same time, the water sprinkler will also activated, and here we can see the evidence of water splash. An SMS will be sent to the user to let know the presence of the fire in house. To confirm whether it is false or true alarm, the user able connect to the camera which is aimed to the system. At the same time, the fire triggering will be noticed on the LCD display. On the other side, we have a smoke detector which will provide the same result when smoke from fire is detected. We have conducted 2 experiments. Number 1. Flame sensor detection range testing. In this experiment, the alarm duration for flame sensor signal recorded average of 5.4 seconds and smoke sensor signal recorded 9.3 seconds. The main reason of having different on the alarm duration is due to the characteristic of fire and smoke. Number 2. Response time and alarm duration testing. Response time for flame sensor and smoke sensor range of 9.8 and 10.5 seconds to send SMS alert. Fire shield alarm system is technically feasible and practical, which has high commercial value as it is made of low and electronic modules. This alarm system also cost effective. The cost was calculated based on a standard 3-room terrace house. Based on calculation, 3-room terrace house will cost around RM161. We do collaboration with IPG, Kota Baru, Kelantan and young scientists for current and future product development. We also applied MyIPO to get copyrights.
Fire shield alarm system is a conducive innovation that is beneficial to mankind. It can provide enhanced safety feature in combating disasters such as residential fire. This product has potential not only on the ground for residential application but also applicable to other commercial use. Future research will be focusing on a more interactive and user-friendly for disabled people. Thank you.